Welcome to Jethro's Garage. Today we're gonna go over a little bit of a tool haul I had this weekend. Decided I was gonna go to Harbor Freight and pick up something and try out a bit ratchet set they have. Man, I'm getting tongue tied. That's crazy. So I went and picked this icon up. I'm gonna try to post a video on it later, but wow. I saw this originally on Jeff's Garage. Well, I didn't see it originally on there, but that's what piqued my interest. I'd heard a little bit about it, but then he did a little review on it, and I was sold. I wanted to try it out. So I'm going to be talking about that sometime later this week. Picked up a light. A Braun light. I wanted to try this out. Looks pretty nice. We'll see how it works. I'm not sure if it's got a magnetic base or not. I'll look at it and see. Yeah, there's magnet. So low, medium, high. Pretty neat little light. Picked up some drawer liner. We're gonna see if this is any good. I don't know. I just need something in bottom of some of the drawers. Gonna be doing some professional body work with this, you know, brand new. And this was free. So, I mean, not bad. I mean, it's better than I guess the rags we used to get free at Harbor Freight, but I mean, I'll put some type of wheel on this and won't ever take it back off until it goes bad, and I'll hang it up and use it because I got a couple of grinders. This won't do any heavy duty work for me, but I might put a wire wheel or a flat disc on it and use it until it dies. I mean, you can't beat it for free. Plus I used a 25% off coupon for this. So, you know, my bill come out of there not too bad. I've already got rid of it or let my brother, you know, have it. But I got me about $100 worth of leather for $10 at a yard sale. And let's see, what else? Just some odds and ends, some storage stuff and everything. Little mud pans. Someone had 4 of them for $1, and I gave them $1 for them. Other than that, I did stop by a pawn shop, and I'm always stopping at pawn shops. I love them. And this is one of those that thought they had gold, and I'll show you some pictures here, or a little video here later. But it amazes me what some pawn shops try to sell stuff to, and it's not because you can't tell me because they don't know, because they do. They look up everything. They're trying to get those people that don't know. They see a name like Snap-on and they want to buy it. So what I'll show you is two things. Vermont tap and die kit. It's an old stock. It's not new. It's a vintage, you know, tap and die kit. And they wanted $100 and something for, I forget, $150. I'll show it in the video. And they had a Snap-on thread repair kit, which is the older style that Lang tool or K tool, whatever the name is, made for them, and that you can buy online for $50, $75, and they wanted $150 or $175 for it, and it was ridiculous. And they just have to be banking on someone that doesn't know. Oh yeah, they'll probably drop the price a little bit for you, but what, $150, $125, down to $125, you're still not getting a deal. But if you don't know and you see that tool and you see Snap-on, you know, you might buy it because you think that the truck might warranty it out, and that's not always the case, because you didn't buy it from that guy. He or she may not warranty it. And if you try to warranty it through Snap-on, they may tell you we're not going to cover it because you didn't buy it from us. You bought it secondhand. So it's just something to look out for. I did buy a nice tap and die set from a pawn shop here about 2 months ago. And it was a new old stock. It had never been used. It was a Hanson. And it's like a $300 kit. And I think I paid $60 for it. And it was ridiculously well priced. And $100 would have been a good price for it. So, but anyway, I'll let y'all look at the rest of this, and I'll talk a little bit about what I saw, and we'll finish it off after that.
So here we see the one kit that was overpriced, and here's the snap-on kit that was overpriced. Prices were just ridiculous. Just be careful out there while you're in the pawn shops.
So last but not least, on my tool haul for the week, it's this Wilton 4-inch vise. This vise is was my father's. My brother gave it to him. And then last week, my brother told me I could have it. I got to admit, I was coveting this vise pretty good bit. It's a fairly early one. It's a 4-inch vise. You know, it says Schiller Park, Illinois, made in the USA there. She could use a coat of paint or two. You know, cleaned up real good. Other than that, it's a nice vise. Hey, I appreciate everybody turning in. Y'all take care out there, and if you like what you see, click that like button, share it, and if you don't mind, subscribe. Until next time.